Once upon a time, there was a man named Bob. Bob was a great guy, but he was always very poor, and as he took his last breath, he had less than $100 in his bank account. Bob passed away a very poor man, and although he thought about it often, he could never figure out why he was never able to make a lot of money. Each time Bob would talk to someone, anyone, he was always talking about how the system is rigged and how nobody can ever make any money. Every single time that he got a new job, he expected to be paid very little money. He also expected to live his entire life as a poor man. And guess what? That is exactly what he did. But what caused this? What you're about to learn has the potential to completely alter the path of your life to the point where you end up living a life that you could have only ever dreamed about. And it all starts with something rooted in basic psychology called the Pygmalion Effect. This effect is so subtle, so hidden, that most people don't even realize it's there. You've probably heard the saying, be careful what you wish for. Every day we go through life not realizing that we have expectations for things. When you get pulled over by the police for speeding, you automatically assume that you're going to get a ticket. And by simply expecting to get one, you actually do get one. Imagine a food that you've hated all of your life. Someone tells you to eat it, and since you expect it to taste terrible, you eat it, and it actually tastes terrible. Thousands of years ago, there was a brilliant sculptor named Pygmalion, and he created a statue of a gorgeous woman. And over time, he became so obsessed with it that he asked the gods to give him a real woman who is just like the statue. When Pygmalion got home later that night, he found that he got exactly what he wished for, and a beautiful woman matching the statue was standing in front of him. So what does this have to do with money, business, and life in general? The Pygmalion Effect is basic psychology, and it goes a little something like this. When you have good expectations for something, that something usually turns out exactly how you expected. The problem that Bob was having was that he expected to always be poor. So when opportunities arrived that could have made him wealthy, or at least got him on a path to wealth, he ignored them completely. But here's the tricky part. All of this occurred without Bob even realizing it. When we have expectations for something, we actually act in a way that causes us to fulfill those expectations, which is what you might call a self-fulfilling prophecy. In other words, we're both predicting and fulfilling our predictions of the future or any specific event. Here's another example. Amber is a sweet girl, but when she was really young, she was told over and over again by her mother that she will never find a good man. So as Amber grew older, she constantly cycled through boyfriend after boyfriend, and eventually, at the age of 73, she passed away in a house filled with 13 cats. Amber never realized that because she expected to never find a good man, she literally altered her behavior at every single step throughout her life in ways that caused her expectations to become true. But the Pygmalion Effect is actually a good thing because it states that positive, high expectations increase performance. So it's the reverse of this effect that we need to watch out for. Many of the greatest self-made millionaires and billionaires tell you to aim for the stars. So even if you miss, you'll still land on the moon. This is basic psychology at work. If a guy walks up to a girl and asks her to Netflix and chill, expecting to be turned down, he is much more likely to act in a way that causes this expectation to come true. If you start building a business that you expect to fail, then you'll most likely act in ways that will cause it to actually fail. But on the flip side, if you expect to be rich, you'll take actions like watching these videos that will actually help you achieve this goal. One of the most powerful bits of wisdom that you can learn from self-made successful people is that you have to believe you'll be successful long before it ever happens. Because simply by expecting it to happen, you will act in ways that will make it happen. It was Will Smith who always said, "I just believed or expected that it would happen." And if you look at his career, it is safe to say that he benefited from the Pygmalion Effect. A famous quote once said, "Whatever we expect with confidence becomes our own self-fulfilling prophecy." So the only question left is, what do you expect? And with that said, until next time, thanks for watching.